Hi everyone! Right, it's been a while since I've done a video, and this is one that I've wanted to do for a while. So I want to teach you what I call my 5-minute face. So it's just a really simple, quick and easy everyday look. Not really for going out, more for busy people like myself, you know, working moms, or you know, if you're going to university but you still want to look a little bit polished and a little bit awake and put together. So I'm just gonna go through it because it should take about 5 minutes. Pop these off. So I've already skin prepped, so I've used my moisturizer and my eye cream that I use every day. So I've got that on already. And next I'm going to use Beauty Pie Tinted Moisturizer. So you can use a foundation if you want. I just like the convenience of having a tinted moisturizer because I can just apply it with my fingers and it's really quick. You can see that it just kind of evens out all of your skin tone. Yeah, good stuff. Really happy with that, quick and easy. And next I'm going to use another Beauty Pie product, which is their Unbeatable Concealer. Pop that under my eyes very gently, of course. So you can see it's good stuff, and I've got a lovely little spot here on my nose. It's cropped up for you guys today. I always like to put a bit of concealer around my nose area where I get red. Okay, and we're also going to take a dab of that and just pop that across our eyelids to act as a primer. Now, I will confess, I waxed and tinted my eyebrows yesterday, so they're looking in really good shape. But that's, you know, just a little trick for you. If you want to be even quicker in the mornings, a good wax and tint of the brow or lashes will save you time, definitely. But I am just going to groom them with, this is Glossier, which you can't really see because it's rubbed off, Boy Brow, it's called, which is a fantastic little like mascara one that you pop on your eyebrows just to fill them in and groom them. Now I'm really sparse in this area, but you can see as I brush them up with this one. This is, I think it's light brown or medium brown, or it's just brown actually. So I'm just going to brush that up. But I really like this, and you can order, again, this is something that you have to order online because it comes from the States, but it's a really good product and it's worth the money. I think this is about £12 and it's absolutely brilliant. Really, really good stuff. I really like that. So my next step is to apply your eyeshadow color. Now I would recommend, it's, you know, whatever color you think suits you best and whatever color that you're happy and comfortable picking up on a day-to-day basis. I love this one, as you can see, from Tarte. It's a Tarte metallic eyeshadow in Exposed. So it's not quite a rose gold, it's more of like a bronzy pink. But I find that looks really nice on me. It makes my eyes look really blue, and it's just nice for like a little sweep of color on the eyes. So I'm just using kind of like an angular brush there to pick up some color. And I'm taking that across my lid and ever so slightly above the crease. And you know what? I mean, this is all about being quick. So blend with your fingers if you need to. I will not judge. I'm just going to run a little bit of this along my lower lash line just to give it, again, another little pop of color. And now we're going to define our eyes, and I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coal pencil in Barbarella Brown. I love these because they're a gel pencil, so they're a little bit forgiving if you don't get it absolutely perfect. But you can see it just goes on really smoothly. It doesn't drag. It doesn't leave any little marks. You don't have to necessarily stretch your eyelid out, not your eyeballs. Don't be stretching your eyeballs. Okay, so that's just give me a little bit of definition on the top lid, and then again, just a tiny bit underneath. Once this sets, it's waterproof, it's smudge proof, it stays put until you take it off. Yeah, it's fantastic. Definitely recommend Charlotte Tilbury pencils. They're just wonderful. Right, mascara. So I have got Glossier again. Glossier Lash Slick, it's called. So again, you can order this online. I'm using quite a few Glossier products today. They're cruelty free. They've got a lovely ethos of kind of natural beauty that looks, you know, like you, but just that little bit better, but not caked in makeup. And this mascara actually builds up length because I have very, very stubby little eyelashes. And I love it because it builds up the length, but it doesn't clump. And that's great. And some people don't like that. Like some people want big, fat, clumpy lashes. So if you do, this is not the mascara for you. I like it because it's got a comb type brush on it. You know, it really combs through and separates your lashes, so you don't get that clumpy effect, but you do get lots of lovely, lovely length. And if I had more time, I would carry on building that length up. So my next product, again, a Glossier product. Glossier. This is their Cloud Paint, which is like their iconic product. So it's a sort of liquidy, creamy, pink consistency blusher. And you can actually use this on your lips as well. But I'm just going to take a little bit with a Real Techniques buffing brush here, and I'm just going to pop that on my cheeks. So it's very sheer, but you can build it up. But remember, this is like a daytime look, so we're not going to go too insane with the blusher. But it's a nice, pretty color, just like a little flush of color that makes you feel like maybe you've just been for a jog. Not that I ever do that. Or like a nice, fresh, brisk walk in the cold air, which is nice. So, you know, just like a little bit of rosy cheekiness to it. And then I'm just going to set with a little bit of powder. So I'm using a Tarte powder there. Oh, can't read it, is it? Filtered Light powder, which is a really nice powder because, I mean, I'm sure you can see this as I'm applying it. It makes the skin look super, super smooth. Really, really blends into the skin lovely and just sets everything. But it makes your skin, it gets rid of like all these little fine lines and things. And pores. It is magic. It's absolute magic. And it lasts all day. I mean, I might top up maybe once or twice in a day. Right, so contouring. Because I have a big old round head, so I need some contouring. So I'm going to use our Zoeva Nude Spectrum Blusher Palette. And I'm going for this shade here, which the name I can't read. But it's the one that's in the bottom corner here. So we're just going to take a little bit of that on our brush and literally sweep that under our cheekbones just to give that definition. I mean, this is optional. You can skip this if you don't have a big round head, but I do. And I'm going to take that along my jawline because even though it probably doesn't actually get rid of my 98 chins, it kind of makes me feel like it does. So. But it's all about creating that kind of shadowy illusion and also just giving yourself a little bit of color, which is nice. So just a little bit of natural contour. And finally, we're going to finish off with lips. Now, if you've got time, I've just realized that I've gone over 12 minutes. Great. If you've got time, go for a lip liner. If not, go for a creamy kind of liquid lip. Can't talk on their lips. So I love this color. It's Sugar Pill and Trinket, and can you see the gold that comes through when it sets? And it's just a nice color, nice applicator. Don't need a lip liner with it. It just right over it. Right, I've gone over my time. I was trying to keep this under 10 minutes, but that's not really worked out. So I might have to redo this, but if not, thank you for watching. Let me know what other videos you might like to see me do sometime. Thank you. Bye.